guys, I'm Claudio from Carttitude. Welcome back in our studio. Today's project is this camper van. We already started working on this car 2 weeks ago, something like that. Now the car is fully stripped. We will complete the full front end Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF. Refurbished wheels, new tires, wall white tires. Very nice for these classic cars. All the windows are stripped for tinting. We will use Xpel Prime window tint, full paint correction all over the car, ceramic coating, best protection, interior detail. Every little surfaces of this car will be fully detailed and protected. But let's go to start the work and show the process. Okay, we just received the Mercedes C63 AMG 2013. I love this car. It's satin paint, will be protected with Xpel Stealth PPF, and we will do a mix with gloss PPF on the gloss black trims. Already inspected the paintwork, was washed, decontaminated. You will see the process. Now we will get the car prepared for PPF, but before we will start on this one, we need to finish the front PPF on the camper van, then we will jump on this project. Okay, here we have the best example and situation that I can explain you exactly how paint correction is can be done, and what type of mistakes you can do if you try to do it yourself and you don't know exactly what you need to do. On this area I can see the texture of like a beer drop or was something, a chemical stain. And probably the customer or somebody else tried to do like with a do-yourself method, some T-cut or something like that, to polish and remove this mark from the panel. But what he get on the end is a very, very worst area with deep scratches and matte finish. If this panel was supposed to be corrected by us straight away, the steps was very simple, just few levels of paint correction with buffing machine and that's it. But now it's worse, and what we need to do is to remove all these scratches, deep scratches. That means we need to start with 2-3 stage of wet sanding, then another 3-4 stage of buffing. Just think when it's happened something like that on the full car. What mean a full paint correction did it right from a scratch, and what mean paint correction when somebody else ruined the full vehicle and now we need to take everything from zero to restore the full vehicle. It's double work. Let's start the process. Okay, now the wet sanding process and the first step of paint correction, the cutting process, is completed. And if you look here, you can see the holograms, and it's the best example for you to understand when the car come out from the body shop and you see all the ugly holograms on the paintwork. They are because was used a rotary machine with an aggressive pad. The scratches was corrected, but now you can see the holograms made by the cutting step. This is why we need to come with different steps, medium and finishing steps, to remove now the holograms and to achieve that mirror finish. You'll see on the end. Okay, now the paint correction process is completed. Here was the beer drop stain and all the scratches. They are removed. Next step is to decontaminate everything around and panel wipe any polish residue around and PPF this little trim to be sure you don't have these defects in the future. Never ever. And we don't need a full paint correction because we'll be fully protected with PPF. This is what was left on the car. This is what we planned for today. Is the half days, 12:30, and the bumpers are not installed yet on the Mercedes because I need to go to collect the wheels. I had this situation with that trim where I lost around 45 minutes to correct the scratches. What we need to do now, we need to recalculate the diary for today, and we need to jump on the task to be sure we will complete both cars till the end of the day and to meet the deadline to be collected for tomorrow. Like I said, we still have the front bumper PPF installation and the rear bumper PPF installation. Already the sides are completed. The wheels was ceramic coating. We still have left the hollow ceramic coating for PPF. Okay, and this piece of the trunk needs to be protected as well. We just installed this little bit, and on the camper van is a lot of work as well. We need to ceramic coating the wheels, fit them back on the car, The interior detail, let's say, is 90-95% completed. Now we work on the fabric protection, leather protection and all interior surfaces. We need to feed back all the parts on front, headlights, everything. Do the chromes, final touches. Oh my god, there is 2 days of work and we have, let's just 4 hours, 3 technicians, 12 hours. Let's see how we can fit in 12 hours the work of 20 hours. Now I will start to cut the trunk kit, and as you see here we have already pre-cut the C63 and the AMG badge, but being a matte paint with Stealth PPF, if we use the pre-cut kit with the badges, you will see the edges of the film, and I prefer just to remove the badges, edit the kit, have a clean installation, and then the badges in top, and will look great. As you see here, there are the C63 and the AMG badge and the Mercedes one. And what I will do now, I will start to cut. Now we have a clean full piece, and the badges will be in top, not edges, no nothing. And this side all over will be wrapped inside and protected. Now the project is completed. Look at this car, how amazing is the end result with Xpel Stealth PPF on the paintwork and gloss, Xpel Ultimate Plus ornaments, wheels was protected, halo ceramic coating in top of the PPF. I love it. I love it. In this side, the camper van is completed as well. I'm happy we meet the deadline, and I thank you to our team because it's 8 o'clock p.m. We are still here, but most important is we meet the deadline. Tomorrow morning both cars will be delivered, and the owners will see their brand new cars. What do you think about this camper van? Was 2 weeks project, full paint correction, PPF on the front, ceramic coating on the rest of the vehicle, Crystal Serum Ultra and EXO. Wheels was fully refurbished, brand new tires, full interior detail. All the windows was removed and tinted with Xpel Prime. They look amazing. Was 16 hours of work just to remove and put back the windows, but we aim for perfection, and look at these windows, they are impeccable. Any little piece of chrome, everything was polished, fully protected, and now the car is ready to be delivered, and I'm sure the owner will be excited over the moon with the end result. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching the first episode of our long serial. More videos will come. I'm sure you'll enjoy and you'll love our project. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.